To sell digital products on Gumroad, follow these simple steps. Create a Gumroad account. Visit gumroad.com and click on sign up to create a new account using your email address. Set up your profile. After signing up, set up your profile by adding a profile picture, your bio, and payment details so you can receive payments. Create a new product. Once your account is set up, click on the Products tab from your dashboard. Select Add the product, then choose Digital Product. Upload your product. Fill in the product details such as title, description, and price. Upload your digital file by clicking Add File. You can upload a single file or multiple files depending on the product type. Customize the product page. You can also add a product image, promotional text, and other relevant details to make the product more attractive to buyers. Publish your product. Once everything is ready, click Publish to make your product available for sale. Gumroad provides a unique link that you can share or embed on your website. Market your product. Promote your product on social media, blogs, or via email to attract customers and drive sales.